Drift here. I've got a quick tip and for you. This is for putting rim protection strips on your wheels. I've got some here. These are the plastic strips that have double-sided 3M double-sided tape on them. You buy them off of AliExpress. Not very much, 20 bucks for a set of 4 or for enough to trim it up to do 4 wheels. And I've got black on the R8. It just provides a little bit of protection. Also, because it had them on before, they're scuffed up underneath when they fall off. One of mine did come off, and so I'm putting a new one on to cover up the little nicks and scratches that are on the edge and give it that protection. It also makes the rim just look that little bit wider, and it's black on black, which is barely noticeable. On the van I've got red on there, but anyway, inevitably they don't stick very well. They provide a adhesive promoter in a sachet when you buy the packets, and usually there's enough to do about 2 of the 4 wheels worth of strip, so you run out, and it's no good trying to stick them on with just the double-sided tape. Put them on, and a couple of weeks later it'll come flying off at 100 kilometers an hour. They just don't stick that well. But I've found an adhesion promoter, and nothing promotes adhesion better than super glue, or for you people in the US, crazy glue. Sorry, I think I got that right. Crazy glue. Anyway, super glue. So just on a paper towel, put a little bit, a drop on the paper towel, and then just rub that around the rim ahead of where you're going to be putting the double-sided tape. Try not to get any on the wheel like I just did then. To wipe it off later, clean it off, and then pull the double-sided tape off and do it one section at a time. Push the strip down onto the wheel where you want it, get it lined up, and then hold it in place for 30 seconds. So you've got to hold it for 30 seconds. If you don't, it'll just come off, but the 30 seconds is what it takes for super glue to bond the 2 surfaces together, and that will promote enough adhesion that these things won't come flying off, and if they do, it'll be maybe in a year or two's time, not in a couple of weeks time. So that was the last section on this one. The first one's always a bit difficult. You've got both ends of the thing curling, and even if you just do like a middle piece and start from the middle and then go out, in about say, I don't know, 2 fingers, I'm still holding it, you have to wait, about pieces about that long, 6 or 8 inches, or a couple of 100 millimeters, 200 or 300 millimeters in the New World measurements that everyone uses, except for, again, our North American friends who like inches. But here we are. That's been 30 seconds. I've been holding it on there. That's my quick tip. Thank you for watching.